Top tips for how to get a crisp, delicious, healthy green juice. Let's get started.
The first thing to do is find some vegetables or fruits that can make up the bulk of the juice. And these are vegetables with high water content, and I love using cucumbers for that. Celery also works great. Then you're going to want to add some extra vegetables that are adding either flavor or extra nutrients. And great things are kale, lettuce, carrots, things like that. Finally, you're going to want to sweeten up your juice by using an apple or pear, pineapple, some kind of fruit with a lot of sweetness. And then I like squeezing in a little bit of lemon, and that helps cut the bitterness of things like kale and celery.
My second tip is to work by colors. So to create a nice green juice, you could use lemon, cucumber, lettuce, celery, kale. All of the green and yellow tones can go in that juice and it will turn out beautiful. And then you could also try creating a nice, beautiful red juice, and you could use beets, oranges, carrots, all of the red toned fruits and vegetables can go in that one. And so much of what we eat with our eyes, right? So when the juice looks beautiful, it's going to taste better to us. So those are my two biggest tips. I hope you found them helpful, and let's get started making this juice.
For demonstration's sake, I broke my own rule here and added an orange carrot into a green juice. And you'll see as I'm pouring it here, when the carrot part is added, it turns the juice a little bit murky. And if I had added more orange or red tones, it would have looked even murkier.
And voila, you've got a delicious, fresh, crisp green juice that's loaded and packed with nutrients that's going to keep you going strong throughout the day.
Well, good morning. Here we are in my kitchen again, and I'm going to make my favorite beverage in the way that I start out every morning, or pretty much every morning. Turmeric, ginger, and lemon. And I start with the turmeric first because I found that if I put it in last, that it gets all clogged up inside of my juicer. So we start with the turmeric, and then ginger, and then the lemon. I normally don't put them all together, but I'm going on a trip, so I'm just going to put it all together in one. So let's get started. So, put the ginger in here. Let's say the turmeric. And it's 50-50 between the turmeric and the ginger, and then I put some lemon juice in there. That's a great way to start your digestive system off with the right track in the morning. So let's get all this good stuff in there. And you see, starting your day off right does not take a lot of time. And your digestive system will truly love you for it. You see, as you break your fast, sleeping all night, starting with some good ginger, great for your digestion, cleaning out any of the toxins. And I haven't peeled the lemon because it's an organic lemon, and you probably want to peel it if it's not an organic lemon. Other than that, just put the whole thing right in there all together. A little bit more. Right. Tap there. Get all the good stuff. Usually give it a good tip back and forth. And there we go. Simple. Now I just pour it. I save the little salad dressing bottles because then I can pour it out and have some kind of control as to what I am pouring out in the morning. So again, you have to be really careful with turmeric because it really stains easily. And there we go. Ready for my trip? There we go. To your health. Have a great morning.
So I'm going to be using a whole lemon today. And the crazy thing about this recipe, it calls for 12 carrots. Look at all of these. And that is pretty awesome. I can't even imagine sitting down and eating this many carrots. But in a juice, you are able to consume so much in one sitting. I'm going to keep the skin on the apples and the carrots, but I will be peeling all of the other ingredients. So I'll be back and we'll be ready to put them all in our juicer. All I'm doing is I'm going to cut up the carrots just so it'll be easier to juice. And I'm just placing it inside. So we're ready to start juicing. I'm going to put all the apples in first. So the last ingredient we're going to add is the beet, and this is what's going to make this entire juice like red. Alright, we're all done. Let's taste it. Oh my god. So, I'm very conflicted on this recipe because, and I've only had this one other time. I think next time I will only use half of a beet because, girl, I do not like beets. So this is very conflicting because it's refreshing. Like, as soon as I drink it, it's like, ah. But then the aftertaste is kind of like dirty. I mean, because beet roots are grown underground and they're just, ugh. So it's kind of weird, but it's still kind of good. But forget the taste. This is like very refreshing and is very, very beneficial to our health. This helps with a liver cleanse. It helps with digestion. It improves your immune system, your eyes.
Hello everyone, welcome to Sushma's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make a healthy drink which is very good for anti-aging, weight loss, detoxifying and glowing skin. You will get all these when you use this drink at least 3 times a week. You need to have early in the morning. You can have with the breakfast. It is very good. We are using carrots in this, which is which has a lot of iron, copper, potassium, manganese, and everything, which is very good for eyesight. It has vitamin C, and it's good for weight loss also, and anti-aging, pigmentation, and it's very good for skin and eyes and hair. And the beetroot, which is good for detoxifying, anti-aging. It increases hemoglobin level. The beetroot always gives you a very good hemoglobin level, and it fights cancer and the thyroid problems, the obesity problems, the heart diseases, and it lowers the blood pressure also. It has so much of nice vitamin C and iron in this. Beetroot has that. And the lemon and the ginger, it's always good for your health. So if you mix all these ingredients and make a healthy juice early in the morning, if you drink at least 3 times a week, you will feel that weight loss, and you will feel the glowing skin, and you will have an anti-aging, and you will be very healthy. You can see all the changes in your body. Hope you will like it. Now let's start making the juice for the healthy drink. For making the beetroot juice, now I have peeled the beetroots and cut into pieces. The carrots also I have peeled and cut into pieces. I have made the ginger into pieces, and I have taken half a lemon. And we need to put all these in the blender, all these together, and blend it with half a cup of water. I'm putting all my ginger and everything, and squeeze the lemon in this. I'm adding half a cup of water, and we need to blend this. See, now here I have blended this with water. Now I need to strain this, and I will again blend this again one more time. Take out all the pulp, and I have to do this again. See, I have strained the juice and I have taken the pulp in here, and I'm gonna add half a cup of more water, and I'm gonna blend it again. I have blend this again, and I'm gonna strain this one more time. This is a very healthy drink. You people have to try this, and especially for ladies and kids and the older people. This is very good because the ladies always have this hormonal problems and the hemoglobin levels. Normally they will have a very low hemoglobins. So if you take at least 2 times a week this drink, you'll be fine, and you'll be healthy, and you have a glow skin. I have taken here some ice cubes in my serving jug, and I'm going to pour this juice.
Smoothies lessen your food cravings. Packed with soy, whey or soy protein, good fats, yogurt, fresh fruits, among others, smoothies make you feel full for hours. A study conducted in New York Obesity Research Centers reveals the people who drink soy-based drinks lost 3 times more weight than those who consume the same amount of calories eating regular food. In a 90-day trial, subjects who were given a certain smoothie as a meal replacement lost weight 5 times faster compared to those who were given the traditional low-calorie meal. In a similar study, the Journal of American Dietetic Association showed that twice as much weight is lost by those replaced a meal with smoothies than those who were given the traditional diet with the same amount of calories. This study was done in span of 12 weeks. Smoothies are a metabolic boosting breakfast. They set your metabolism for the day and will curb your mid-morning and afternoon appetite. The food that you will have in the morning will determine your blood sugar levels for the rest of the day. In a high-carbohydrate diet, the blood sugar levels will rise rapidly but will decline to an extremely low level before 6 hours. This decline in sugar level will reduce the food-burning capacity of the body, causing fatigue and inefficiency. As the body slows down food burning, more and more energy is converted into fat. However, in a high-protein diet, the body gets a prolonged supply of glucose that makes food burning more efficient and last longer. After consuming the high-protein meal, the blood sugar level becomes faster and the blood sugar level will stay high in the entire 6 hours. A research pointed out that when you combine carbohydrate, protein and fat, digestion is slowed and the result is a gradual absorption of glucose into the blood. A higher level of energy for many hours and lower fat-making insulin levels is thus achieved. A blend of wheat germ and a protein-rich smoothie is a perfect combination of this carbohydrate, protein and fats. Here is a weight loss regimen you can try. 1. Drink this weight loss smoothie every morning as soon as you wake up. The earlier you drink, the earlier your metabolism will work hard and the faster you lose weight. 2. Include in your smoothie the key ingredients like whey protein, fruits, yogurt, juice, fiber powder or any preferred substitute with similar nutritional value. 3. Consume your weight loss smoothie immediately after blending it. Do not let it stand for too long as it will lose its flavor. 4. Follow this succession in blending your homemade weight loss smoothie. First, put in 2 bananas, then half a cup of yogurt, 1 spoonful of fiber powder, 1 cup of juice, any preferred flavor will do, and finally, put in the ice cubes. 5. If you prefer thicker smoothie, increase the proportion of fruits. You can add a little sugar or maple syrup to add taste. Smoothies are easy on the stomach and aid in digestion. Have fun losing weight. Make a weight loss smoothie every morning immediately after you wake up. The earlier you start up your metabolism, the harder it is going to work. This will make losing weight so much easier. Add a combination of these key ingredients based on your taste preferences: fruit, whey protein, yogurt, tasteless fiber powder, juice, and ice cubes. This weight loss plan smoothie is easy on the stomach and helps aid digestion. Drink your delicious weight loss smoothie quickly after you have made it. I have noticed that it tastes best this way. If you wait too long, it loses flavor. Losing weight actually tastes good with a smoothie. Use these measurements as a guide when you make a weight loss smoothie. 2 bananas, 1/2 cup yogurt, 1 spoonful fiber powder, 1 cup of juice, 3 ice cubes,